Good morning to all of you. Today we will start chapter 4, working with queries. So let us understand the term query. As a database can contain huge quantity of information, so it becomes difficult to access or extract a specific record, but query makes it easier to access a particular record from the database. The word query means to ask a question. A query is a database object that helps us to access and view information from the database tables based on the given condition or criteria. We define this specific search condition to make query in MS Access. These specific search conditions are based on the particular fields. For example, look at the figure 4.1 given in page number 31. Suppose we want to view the students living in Panchkula. In this query, we will specify the criteria based on the city field and so on. MS Access provides various types of queries like select, parameter, crosstab and SQL. The next is setting a relationship between tables. As a database can contain various tables, so we must set a relationship between tables before creating queries on tables. Relationship is a link that links a field in one table with the same field in another table. A relationship works by matching field with the same name in all the tables. These matching fields are the primary key from one table that uniquely identifies each record in a table and foreign key in the other table. Here a new key has been introduced, foreign key. A foreign key is a value in one table that must match the primary key of the other table. More clearly, foreign keys are columns of a table that points to the primary key of the another table. They act as a cross reference between tables. The next is creating a query. We will do this during the lab. And under creating queries, specifying simple criteria and multiple criteria, we will perform this practically during the lab period.